In today's video we are going to find out best ways to unlock Android phone without losing data. So, let's go ahead. Before moving ahead with this video, don't forget to like, subscribe our channel. In the first method, we are going to use the Google account to unlock the Android phone. As you can see, the password I am trying to enter is wrong and hence I cannot access the phone. Now, to unlock the phone I am going to enter the wrong password for 5 times. Now, tap on the OK button. Then, tap on the backup pin. Next, enter the Gmail ID and password you are using on your phone. After signing into the phone, you'll get several options. Here, choose the None option so that you can unlock the phone without the need for any password. The second method is for Samsung users, where we are going to use the Find My Mobile feature. You can use this feature only if it was already enabled on the phone. So, let's see how can you enable it. Go to Settings, then Biometrics and Security. Tap on the Find My Mobile and enable it. Now, you'll get 3 more options to enable, which are Remote Unlock, Send Last Location, and Offline Finding. Enable all these options as it will be helpful for finding your phone and unlocking it. Now, open the Find My Mobile app on another by using your Samsung account credentials. Let the app locate your phone. Here, you'll get several options, such as ring, lock, track location, erase phone data, etc., but you need to select the unlock option. After selecting the unlock option, you need to enter the password of your Samsung account for verification. Finally, your Samsung phone is unlocked. Last and the best way to unlock your phone is using a professional tool. Use the Android Unlock tool to unlock your Android phone without losing any data. Using this reliable tool, you can unlock any kind of password on any Android phone. And, the best part is you don't need any technical skills to use this tool. To download this tool and find out how it works, follow the links I have mentioned in the description box below. Thanks for watching this video. Please, stay connected to watch more useful content.